My name is Kelly. I'm from Frankfurt, and I like to do hiking, anything outdoors, love nature. Back in January, I was having some neck pain, which radiated down my arm. Thought I was having a heart attack. Went to the hospital. They ran all kinds of tests, everything, sent me home. Basically couldn't find anything wrong with me. Then referred me to a pediatrics office for follow-up. So I decided to take things into my own hands and did a Google search and was trying to find a holistic doctor nearby, and I found you all. And I come in to visit, and Dr. Sosha was able to locate a pinched nerve in my neck. I no longer have any neck pain. I've got full range of motion back into my neck. And anytime I come in and I'm having anything that feels off in my neck or back or sinuses, I just let her know, and I feel completely different when I leave. No more pain, no more aches. It's very open plan, family oriented, and very friendly staff. They actually listen to you and hear where you're coming from and try to get to the root cause of the problem and not just slap on some prescription drugs to try and band-aid it. Well, my middle one has always been complaining about back issues and stuff, and where she's so tall, I decided to see if that would be able to help her with all of her aches and pains. And then my youngest started complaining too, and so I just decided to just go ahead and get them in early on as preventative maintenance, so it's not making matters worse later on down the road for them in their lives. Oh yes, in fact I've recommended you all to numerous people. I let them know what had happened to me and about my daughter coming and how much better she's feeling, and I'm doing better. And I speak very highly of you all to everybody.